Assalamualaikum students. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His grace. Students, in the previous session of our science classes, we have continued our chapter 5, which was digestive system. You have already come to know the digestive organs and the organs were. What were the organs? Can you recall them? Yes, you can. Please try to recall them with me. The organs of digestive system was mouth, teeth, tongue, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, then pancreas, then gallbladder, liver, then jejunum, ileum. Actually, jejunum, ileum, and duodenum. These three portions are the part of small intestine, and then there was large intestine, and at the last portion of our digestive system or large intestine there was rectum and anus. So these were the organs of our digestive system. We already know how can the food be digested with the help of these organs. But students, I think you have focused one thing that in this digestive system so many enzymes were essential to break down our foods. Like in our mouth, with our saliva, ptyalin was one type of enzyme which was required to break down the food inside our buccal cavity. Then in our pancreas, from our pancreas, there were three types of enzymes secreted. So these places which secrete this type of enzymes are called glands. Digestive system carries so many glands. And today, at first, we are going to discuss about these digestive glands. Let's see. Digestive glands. The first digestive gland is liver. It is the largest gland in our digestive system. In our liver, there was gallbladder, and from gallbladder, one type of enzyme is secreted, which is essential to break down the fatty or oily foods. And the next digestive gland is pancreas. You have already known that pancreas is the portion of our digestive system. Actually, it was a leafy type portion in figure. So that pancreas secretes three types of enzymes, and they were amylase, lipase, and trypsin. Amylase was required to break down carbohydrate type of foods. Lipase breaks down the fatty food, and trypsin is required to break down the protein type of food. So, pancreas is also another gland of digestive system. The third one is gastric glands. Students, you have already known this too, that in your stomach, the foods becomes broken down. From the wall of our stomach, one type of hydrochloric acid becomes secreted, and this acid helps to destroy the germs inside the foods. So foods becomes broken down once again in the stomach. So there is gastric gland in our stomach. Then intestinal gland. Students, at the final phase of our digestive system, we have learned that our food becomes digested finally in the small intestine, and then in the small intestine there are so many glands which are called intestinal glands. These glands secretes enzyme, and these enzymes helps to break down the foods finally. After breaking down finally in the small intestine, the necessary portion of our food goes to cells, and the unnecessary portions becomes outside from the body, and this becoming outside, this unnecessary portion is happened through this large intestine. And in this large intestine, there are so many glands, but these glands are not necessary to break down food. These glands inside the large intestine are necessary only to excrete the unnecessary portion of foods. So excretion system will not be happened without this large intestine. So I think you all are clear about these 5 types of glands: liver, pancreas, gastric gland, intestinal gland and large intestinal gland. So I think you all are clear about digestive glands. Now students, we are going to see some common diseases which are related to our digestive system. If there is any imbalance in our digestive system, we may face this disease. Let's see. Common diseases. The common diseases are gastritis, dysentery, constipation. Gastritis is a common disease. When we take so many junk foods or oily foods, our stomach secretes, actually our gastric gland secretes too much hydrochloric acid, and it becomes a form of gas. It creates a form of gas, and it creates pain in our belly. So gastritis is a common disease. Most of us suffering from this gastritis because of taking too much junk food, and sometimes to remove the pain or to reduce the pain of gastritis, we used to take suspension like antacid. Next common disease is dysentery. Dysentery is a type of disease which creates pain in your abdomen. Not only pain, you may face, actually you will face stooling with mucus if you suffer from dysentery. Dysentery is of two kinds. These two kinds are amoebic dysentery and bacillary dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. This type of dysentery happens due to the attack of entamoeba, which is one type of amoeba. When your intestine will be affected with this type of amoeba, you will face amoebic dysentery. And the second dysentery type is bacillary dysentery, and it will be happen if you face the attacking of bacillus bacteria in your small intestine. And the third common disease is constipation. Constipation is a very common disease, and it is happened when if it is happened, you won't be able to stool regularly. You will face a tough situation while stooling. It will become it will be so hard. It will make your stools so hard. So to reduce this problem, you have to take plenty of water, and you have to take leafy types of vegetables. So these are the common diseases of our digestive system. And now we are going to discuss about the caring system of our digestive organs. How can we take care of our digestive organs? Students, you can easily take care of your digestive system. Our digestive system's taking care is mainly dependent on our selection of food. If we select the nutritious food and take hygienic food, we will not face any kind of digestive problem. There are so many activities we can do to make our digestive system regular or make our digestive system easier. But I have mentioned here three which are main. First one is brushing teeth. If you brush your teeth regularly, any kind of germs will not be able to attack your mouth, which can pass to your digestive organs. So it is very essential to make your teeth clear, neat and clean. And these next two points have discussed already. Taking nutritious food, you have to avoid the outsider foods. You have to select the foods which are nutritious, which carries nutritions. And you have to maintain the balanced diet. You have to select the foods which contains protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals and water. So you have to maintain balanced diet properly. Students, I think that's all about today's discussion. We have discussed three types of things today. First one was digestive glands, and second one was some common diseases, and the third one was the taking care system of our digestive organs. So I think if you if you have watched this video attentively, you will be able to solve your worksheet, and very sincerely solve your worksheet, and wait for our next video. Thanks to all of you. Allah Hafiz.